Hello, we are going to be doing. Will you press the button? Um, yeah. You get someone to do your homework slash work for the rest of your life, but you lose an IQ point for every task they complete. Well, I'm already retarded, so sure, why not? Why? Well, 20%, 26% probably already know they're retarded. So, you can delete anyone from history at any given time, but all of the negative repercussions that result from an affect you and your loved ones. I don't know, but I did pick good. Humanity can travel and colonize the stars and other galaxies faster than light, but there will be a one world government. Ooh, no. You can teleport, but anyone sees you teleport, you will die. Uh, it's just like Jumper, the movie. Why the frick not? Okay, but yeah. So you can see people's dreams and make anything that occurs within them real, including your own. But this applies to nightmares also. I don't know what that means, but sure. You have godlike powers, okay, but you'll die at the age of 20. But if you have godlike powers, God lives forever. Gods do not die. So I can't die. So sure. Yeah, see, you'll just make your powers and make yourself immortal. Like, you can't die. Uh, okay, yeah, so you kind of can't die. Um, Whoever you vote for in an election will win. This includes write-in candidates. Your choice will be mysteriously assassinated on the last day of their last term. No, because I don't vote, and I won't do that crap, and I don't know who the frick is gonna win this election. Your ability to listen, touch, taste, and smell, and your ability to listen, touch, taste, smell, and talk. Let's just smell. You stupid. Smell and talk are improved, but you lose you ability of sight. No, frick that crap. Why the frick is that even a question? Make a Wonder Woman movie, but Eddie Murphy and Gilbert Gottfried are in it as Wonder Woman's love, and I don't know who the frick they are, so no. You get free tickets. You get free tickets to your favorite teams for life. You have to sit with the opposite fans. Okay, that's weird, but okay. Have everything you say come true, but anything you say, even in casual conversation, even when you're alone, will come true. Sure. The whole world gains a method for generating free, clean, unlimited energy. US and other Western economies become completely dis dis I don't know what word, and the balance of the world power shifts completely. Okay, that was weird. That one. Guys, only you can become a really hot girl at any time, but you trip over your own feet almost all the time. So don't trip over your feet. That's weird. Okay, good question, I guess. You will have all the pie in existence, but no pizza. No, frick that crap. I need pizza in my life. I freaking need pizza. I need pizza. The man slash woman of your dreams falls in love with you, but you both have uncontrollable. I don't know what the frick that means, but no, sure why not. Your country will win every international competition. Afterwards, they will spend the rest of their life in a wheelchair. No, you could morph your body into any shape, but to do so, you have to scream as loud as you can. Why? I morph myself into a ball. Be like, yo, I'm a ball. I'm a ball. I'm a ball. You can always tell if someone is lying, but you cannot lie. Nope. No, 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 no. No, go back to the game. Go back to the game, please. You can be part of the Colon family, but you will have to become a vampire. I'll become a vampire. I'll just fly away then. You become the smartest person to ever have lived, but nobody will believe anything you say. No. Become Oh, that was weird. Become exactly who you want yourself to be, but lose all of your friends and family and gain new ones, but for better or worse. No, I like my friends, even though I don't have any. But you don't need to know that. You get all A's in every class you take, but all your friends get at least one F. I'm okay with that. Sure, why not? You end world hunger, but this causes the world to overpopulate faster. Mm, that's a major problem today, though. I didn't even press the button. I want to press the button. You can have a parallel life as the opposite gender that you are able to switch between at any time you please. But the current you will have to suffer a horrible accident and look ugly for the rest of your life. The other will not. Sure. You have 100% vision both at day or night, as good as a hawk, but your eyes brightly glowed permanently and are very noticeable. I'm okay with that. I don't see a downside. I like that. Bruh. I'm okay with I have bad eyesight. I mean, like, I have to sit in the front of the classroom, which is really weird. But you don't have to sleep, eat, or breathe anymore. They are optional. You can live without them. But you get horrible weekly periods if you're a girl slash cannot masturbate if you're a guy. No, I have to have my masturbation. What? 50-50? I wouldn't say that. I would count 51, that would be 50. Kind of moving the screen over there. Okay. Um, oh, I just pressed the button. You will have the power to keep humanity alive forever, but you have to die to make it happen. I'm okay with that. You could live in a luxurious hotel for free, but you could only speak the language nobody there understands. So I get a translate person guy thing. Uh, you can live in any fictional universe, but you will be the opposite. Dunzo. Okay, well that's gonna be it for this video. Yeah. Leave a like if you enjoy. This is called Will You Press the Button, as you can see up here at the top, because I'm not that smart, but you know, hey, push it. Sure. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Yeah, goodbye. Bye. Bleh, bleh, bleh.